Hi guys, and welcome to my biggest bonus of 2025. Now when I say my biggest, it is my biggest. Now I have a system that you're going to get as a bonus, fully done for you, that I use myself. Now, I'm going to go through everything in a moment, but it has everything you need in there, from page builder to membership system, marketing, lead pages, campaigns, done for you templates, everything. I'll go through that in a moment. But make sure that you join the call. The call is happening on the 23rd of September, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. So make sure you get on that call. Okay, so here we are on the page. Now, first things first, make sure that you register for this webinar. We've got limited spots. I do believe these will go very, very quickly. So the webinar is happening on the 23rd of September, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. So make sure that you're on that webinar. Now, when I say it's my biggest bonus, it is my biggest bonus. So first we've got the Build Your Marketing Site, which I told you about. So you get a full marketing page design. This is not just a template. This is a full design. We do the brief and we do the full page. Logo, we do the custom login and everything. Everything's customized to you. Right, and then you get the marketing suite. Now, I use this system myself. I've been using it for many, many years, and it is an amazing system. So it's got the page builder. It's got hundreds, and when I say hundreds, it's got hundreds and hundreds of ready-made templates for any niche, from local to online. It integrates with all the major platforms, funnel creation built in, smart automation. It's got course builder in there with membership system, lead tools, split testing, full membership platform, and it's even got more tools as well. And as I said, I use that myself. If you were to get this installed today, it would cost over $300 just for this part. Then we've got 20 plug and play campaigns. Now, these are already built into the system. These are campaigns that we've used, so we've built those into the system. You get the lead page, you get the delivery, all set up, all ready to go. We've also got 60 videos in a full video membership system that we've built into the system. Okay, so those are all ready to go. We've got the lead page for that. We've got the sales page for that. We've got the thank you. All videos already installed, all ready to go. We've got the growth funnel done for you. Now, with this, what we've included is we've included kind of jigsaw pieces that you can build your own funnels with. And when I say they're already done, everything's there. All you need to do is slot the pages where you want them to go. Already built, already kind of tested. Everything works, everything converts. So that's the AI funnel, growth funnel done for you. Then we've got the funnel app add-on. So we've got 2 apps in there. They're already done, brand new apps, all to do with local. We're giving you full white label rights to those, and we're giving you the white label, we're giving you rights to sell on the white label as well. And all the pages are done, all the thank yous done, everything's done inside the system. So it's literally just, once we install it for you on your domain, you can start selling whichever part of the system you want, or you can sell it all. Okay, then we've got the auto builder. Now what the auto builder does is you give us a few keywords, and that system will build your blog posts over and over again. You can come back to us and change the keywords as well if you want to, but that will completely build your blog out. Then we've got the LocalBiz AI Pro apps. So we've got Client Hunter and Smart Quote. Now, Client Hunter finds your clients. Smart Quote will tell you what to charge those clients. Then we've got AI Marketing. We've got the OSM VIP mentorship. Now, I haven't put any members into this for about 18 months. When this was selling, it was $997. I'm including it here. So you're getting it here as part of a bonus. So there's 500 training videos, 61 live recordings, 100 bonus packs to use, 80 done for you affiliate templates. I'm also giving you 80 done for you campaigns. These campaigns you can put directly into your marketing site. They're already done, all ready to go. Then we've got endless leads, we've got 11 labs, masterclass, we've got done for you ad templates. So as you can see, this is a huge offer. And when I said it's my biggest bonus, it is my biggest bonus. You're getting a full marketing system, all built for you, all ready to go. Now, if you were to kind of pay for this, it would cost you a couple of $1,000s easily. You can start using this today. The campaigns are done. The membership system's done with all the membership back end. The funnels are done. The apps are installed. The pages are done. You've got the campaigns, you've got the leads, everything in there all ready to go. We've got 30 spots only, so make sure that you get your place on that webinar. Now on the webinar, for anyone who stays to the end, we're going to be giving away a free reseller pack, never been out before. You'll get the new app and you get the pages to go with it. That's brand new. Okay, so make sure that you lock this in. Just have a look down the page. You'll see exactly what you're getting, and you'll see this is not to be beat. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that live call.